friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Freak. Today we'll be talking about something very interesting and very easy. We all know how to sort data, isn't it? However, we are only able to sort the data when our data is mentioned in a single column, the way it is mentioned here in column B. But if I go ahead and transpose my data, what do I mean by transpose? This is mentioned in a single column if I move it to a single row. So how do I do that? I copy this data, I right click over here and I say paste options and I have a transpose over here. Now this data gets transposed. Now if I'm required to sort this data, let's say from smallest to largest value, how do you think you're going to do that? Tricky, is it? Not really, guys. This is extremely easy. Let's look at this, that how are we going to approach this. Now I'm going to select my data points. I'm going to leave that cell where age is written because I really don't need to sort that. That's the header. So I'm just selecting the range of data or the values of my cell. I'm going to go to the data tab and that's where you have your sort as one of the options. When you click over here and you go to the options section, normally for you guys the orientation that's by mandate clicked over here is top to bottom. However, you can go ahead and select sort left to right and click on OK, and when you do that you get the option to sort by a row number. You want to sort by values, by cell color, by any other feature depending upon how your data set really is. We want to sort it by values because we want it to be from smallest stage to the largest stage. So we write its values and this is smallest to largest. I can do it the other way around also, but I really want to see it smallest to largest. And I click on OK. And that's how. Isn't it so easy to go ahead and sort your data when it's in a single row? So do try out. We have done two things over here. One is we've gone ahead and transposed the data, which means we've changed the orientation from a single column to a single row. You can do it vice versa also. So now this is my data set. I can just go ahead and select this data set. I can click on any of the cells, right click, and then you get this option of page special. Within that you have transpose and it transposes your data, right? And the second thing that we learned about is how do you go ahead and sort your data when it is mentioned horizontally or in a row rather than being mentioned in a column. Do try them out, and in case you face any issues you can use the comment box below, or you can even write into me at msexcel.freak@gmail.com. Thank you guys and have a lovely evening.